Okay, today we'll be looking at the Bollinger Bands. What are Bollinger Bands? Bollinger Band is a trading indicator. It's also called a price band because it or a volatility channel because it consists of the upper Bollinger Band, the middle moving average, and the down Bollinger Band. So let's look at what we are talking about. You go here, you put 20, should have the period of 20, then the deviation, standard deviation should be 2, then you apply. So this is how it looks like. So it has got the upper Bollinger Band, the middle moving average, and the down Bollinger Band. So what is this indicator used for? It is used for measuring the markets, like how volatile, like to detect if the market is too volatile or it's not too volatile. Now, how do we know if the market is too volatile or it's not too volatile? Look at here, this example. Look at the distance between the upper and the middle Bollinger Band here, the distance here, and look at the distance here. Okay, so meaning here the market is not too volatile, here the market is volatile. Now, how do we trade using Bollinger Bands? Some people use Bollinger Bands as support and resistance, whereby if the market hits the down Bollinger Band, they enter a buy. Then when it reaches up, they enter a sell. When it reaches here, they enter a sell. Here they enter a buy. So as you can see, it's looking like it works, but it also needs some other indicators to support it. But it best works on a range market. A range market. Let's look at this here. Look at this here. When the market is in a range, there's always an assurance that the market will still stay in between the Bollinger Bands because it's in a range market, no breakout, no what. So there's an assurance that if the market reaches here, it's the must it will go down. Now, people trade it like this, or let me say we trade it like this. After it reaches there, you enter a sell. Immediately it reaches the middle moving average, you exit the trade. Then here you enter a buy. Immediately it reaches the middle, you exit. Just like that. That's how people trade with the Bollinger Bands acting as support and resistance. So if the market is not volatile, the distance is not too much here. But if the market is too volatile, the Bollinger Bands they expand drastically, like here. So this means that the market here it was too volatile. Or let me put what I'm saying in at least a lower time frame, like 1 hour time frame. Then you see what I'm saying. Look at what happened here. Here the market was in a range, but when it reached here, this means that the market was too volatile, and this shows also that if you enter a position, it can be at least a long position. But if it's here, you enter a position, meaning it will be a short-term positions. Okay, so guys, if you don't have a derivative account, just subscribe to this channel, go in the link in the description, sign up for a derivative account, and also don't forget to hit the like button, share this video. The next video will be talking about other indicators. So if you're interested in learning how to trade with indicators,